Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today you're going to be taking an inside look into a 2022 Forest River Wolf Pack 345 Pack 14.5. Let's get started.